Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to download MetaTrader 4 on your iPhone so you can take your trading on the go. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type MetaTrader 4 and hit search. Once the search result appears, you may get varieties of applications on your screen. Locate the MetaTrader 4 app and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID, Face ID for authentication. Follow the on-screen instruction to proceed. Wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the MetaTrader 4 app. And there you have it. With MetaTrader 4 on your phone, you may have the power to trade anytime, anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.